store Pokemon, but you can't because it's like this. First, let's store the Steelix. What you have to do is remove Steelix from your team in Arena and in the ladder. Go back to the PC. There. We can store it to the Pokemon Ranch now. Now let's try to store Pupitar too. You see, it says carry. First, let's move Pupitar from our team to the fairy box. Then, do the same thing I did with Steelix. Remove Pupitar from your team in the arena and ladder as well. You can store Pupitar now. Alright, that's all my dear viewers. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.